Good morning, everybody. Tim Siebert coming to you live here in Waxhaw. Hey, real quick, just wanted to let y'all know. Take a look. Read what I got up above there. Gen Energy just saved us another $91 on our last month power bill. We just got the power bill in. We are excited. $91 less. We use less kilowatt hours than we did the same time period for last year. But yet we were home more, using more power than we were then. Hey, Temptress. So, and I wanted to kind of bring you out here and just show you how it's installed. It's a pretty cool little unit. There it is right there. It's on our breaker box out here in the garage. So I wanted to show that to you. It's a easy installation. Usually they're going to charge $100, $150 to install it by a licensed electrician, but it works, folks. If you're looking for a way to save money on your electric bill, let's face it, it's the third largest household expenditure behind your car payment and your house payment. Definitely comment on this post for more information, and I'll send you a link over. You can watch a video to see how it works. It not only lowers the amps of the house, so therefore your motors on your refrigerator, your HVAC unit, and anything else that's plugged in doesn't get as much wear and tear and heat, but it lowers the kilowatt hours that you're being overbilled for by your power company. So folks, you don't want to miss out on this. This unit rocks. $91 less power bill. Who can argue with that? So if you're ready to save money on your power bill, and maybe you know some others that want to, we'll even show you how to make money with this unit and pay for your unit and have money in your pocket. So get with us. Comment for more info below, and then I'll instant message it to you. You don't want to miss out on this incredible product introduction into the home-based business world. Gen Energy, folks. Take a look at it. Plus, this is the Plus unit. This has whole house surge protection, which means that if there's a storm outside, listen to this, and lightning strikes or you get a tremendous power surge, this unit stops it from affecting your appliances, your TVs, or your computers, saving those from getting burned out. So this unit works not only to lower your power bill, but it also protects everything plugged in your house. It's a win-win-win. Take care. God bless you. And remember, comment below. Share this if you would on your wall. Share it. There's my garage all cluttered up. Of course, we're going to unclutter it here. Got a 2.5 car garage that's packed with stuff. So take care. God bless y'all. Look forward to seeing each and every one of you.